Well, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this one's going to be a fun one. So I've been seeing a lot of channels unboxing some Temu products. So if you guys don't know, Temu is an online website and they sell tons of stuff. It's Chinese based, of course, but they got everything. They got tools, they got shirts, anything you can think of, but a little bit cheaper priced. So coincidentally, Temu actually contacted me and said, hey, we'd like to send you out some stuff, put it on your channel, test it out, first impressions, all that stuff. So in case you guys are curious about the brands on Temu, we're gonna go ahead. I don't know what they sent me here, so this is gonna be the first time opening up anything from Temu. I'm gonna share this with you guys, first impressions. Any of you guys that might already purchase something from Temu before, let me know in the comments section below if you bought something from Temu and if you guys liked or disliked what you got from Temu. So I got 3 packages here. I have no clue exactly what's in these packages. So let's go ahead and start doing some unboxing here. So let's see what they sent out. So this is kind of exciting. It's always fun to get new tools, especially tools that are at a discounted price. You know, I'm always trying to look for those clearance items, stuff like that. So we got a couple boxes in here. One of the boxes a little messed up, and I think this is going to go with this. So there's a cord, make sure nothing else is in there. So here, we'll go ahead and take a look at this first. So this is a multifunctional headlamp. So these are pretty cool. I've seen these before on TikTok, seen these on Amazon. You do get the cable with it, USB-C to USB-A. Go ahead and show you guys, give you guys a closer look at this. Multiple different LED strips. Stretchy and adjustable. It's got the plastic buckles on the side there. Here is your power button, and I'm assuming that is probably a mode button there. USB-C port right there. So let's see if this actually turns on. So hit the power button. Oh, look at that. So there we go. So of course, I'm not sure how this works. So I'm just hitting the power button here. It looks like it's going through different modes. Got the top LED bar. Looks like it's got low, medium, and high possibly. So just 2. It looks like it's maybe high and low. Got the middle bar there. And then a red bar. So pretty cool for emergencies. And then it has the light on the side. So it looks like every light has 2 modes to it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and looked at the box that this came with just to get a better idea of this light. And actually this light's pretty cool. So went through the modes with you guys. This is one of those like wave sensing lights that turn it on and off. Alright, so you got your power button there. You go ahead, turn that on and go through the modes. I'm going to go to this light here so you guys can see it. So you guys see that light is on. And then if you hit this, it almost looks like a Wi-Fi signal button. It's going to turn that green. And then this has a sensor right here. So when you wave it, the light will go off. Then you can turn it back on by just waving it. I like how it's hands-free. Don't have to click the buttons. So pretty cool. Adjustable strap and everything. Nice flexible rubber. So not too bad. Alright guys, so for the multifunction induction headlamp, that's what they call it. The price on this is $5.98, so $6 for this headlamp. Actually not a bad deal. Let me see if it says what the lumens are. So it's a 3-in-1 headlamp, suitable for climbing, camping, running, cycling. I'm going to use it for working on the car probably. This is non-waterproof. I think you got 100 lumens it's stating and then 500 lumens. According to the website. So not a bad deal. 1200 milliamp hour battery, built-in rechargeable battery. So $5.98 for this, $6. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is this something that is worth picking up? But let's go ahead and dive into the next item here. So let's go ahead and open it up. whatever it says, it's in the color of blue. Okay, so we got a cordless impact driver. Okay, pretty cool. Impact, 1/4 inch impact. So there's the impact, no battery with this one. And then it's got the belt clip, screw, and then it comes with the Phillips 2-sided bit here. Alright guys, so there's a closer look at the awesome 1/4 inch impact driver. Pretty compact. Brushless motor up top here. Kind of reminds me of the Makita colors and everything. So right on the side here it says 180 Newton meters. So that's, I think, equivalent to like 130 foot-pounds. Got the clip on there. It does show on the bottom there is a button there to adjust speed. Alright guys, so go ahead. I got a Makita battery. See how well this fits. So it looks like it locked right into place there. It's got the 3 LEDs on the front. Nice little touch. And first thing I notice is some of these power tools that I've tested in the past, the forward and reverse switch on these are opposite of what we're used to with, say, the Milwaukees, Makitas, DeWalt's, Ryobi. It's opposite. So we got it in forward right now. So it does have a variable trigger. Does have a battery indicator on the bottom, so just in case your current battery that you got in here does not have a battery indicator, it does show 3 bars there. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it does have 3 bars there. And then when you do put this in reverse, you can also adjust the speed with this button down here. So that's low. I got the trigger all the way, and that's low. That's medium. And then this is high. So, but it does not do that when it's in forward. It does have like a self-stopping feature. So as I hold the trigger, this is in forward, it stops. But if I turn that off, it'll keep running. So with this, not really sure why the speed selector here does not work with forward. I've been messing with it a little bit. If you guys have this and know, let me know. But it seems like the speed selector only works in reverse. So I got in reverse, and the speed selector works in reverse. But as soon as I flip it to forward, it doesn't give you the option to select the speed. The speed selection goes away, and it gives you the option for the reverse self-stop. So you can put on the reverse self-stop and forward. Reverse self-stop and forward. And then when you switch it to reverse, you cannot choose the reverse self-stop, but you can change the power, the speed I should say. So, yeah, I don't know. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. Not really sure why the speed selector, you cannot use that in forward. I think this is going for around 40 to 45 bucks, just tool only. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Go on to the next one. See what we got. So next up, and okay, it looks like we got some protective thin wall impact sockets. Looks like 1/2 inch for removing lug nuts. So we'll get a closer look on that. So it looks like we got 15 millimeter, 17, 19, 21, and then 22 millimeter. So pretty nice. I actually could use these. I needed a set of these for my car. Got some aftermarket rims on it, and that should be nice to not scratch the rims up. impact too, so that's pretty nice. Feel pretty good, nice weight to them, and they come in this nice case that doesn't feel cheap. So I'm gonna say that's a thumbs up. All right, so looking on Temu's website, these are going for 5-piece set around 16 bucks. So 16 bucks seems like a decent deal. Seems like they're built pretty well. Nice case. Let me know what you guys think. Comment section below. Move on to the next package here. All right. So I've seen this brand before. JAVN, and I've seen people pronounce it a bunch of different ways. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it, so I'm going to leave it at that. And let's see what this is. Looks like this is a kit of some sort. Oh, okay. So what we got here is an angle grinder, and it looks like this is also going to be compatible with Makita batteries. This is brushless, but it also comes with 2 4-amp-hour batteries. So nice kit, comes with 2 batteries. So that's everything in the box. Also looks like this might come it looks like it comes with some cutoff wheels too. And this cutoff wheel is already chipped. Actually, 2 of them are chipped. But usually I pick up my cutoff wheels from Harbor Freight when they're on sale. So you get 5 discs. Like I said, 2 of mine were chipped. Got my Makita battery here, so double check that real quick. Yep, works with Makita batteries too. It's got the slide switch up top. So we'll go ahead and put this together real quick and see how well this works. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put it all together. I got the battery that it came with on here. So this is brushless. I'm going to take this battery off real quick, give you guys a closer look. So this is the JAVN brushless. And then if you guys look right on the bottom there, it does have some power modes that you can switch through. And then it does have the slide switch on the top. Like I said earlier, it does come with 2 4-amp-hour batteries, and the batteries do have an indicator on it. If you choose not to use these batteries or maybe purchase it without the batteries, it does use the Makita batteries. It comes with the tool, and surprisingly the bag, the carry bag that it comes with is pretty nice. I was surprised with the bag. So it does have like a little tool bag that fits this and would fit all the batteries and the charger and everything. So not too bad on the carry bag. So we'll go ahead and throw a battery in here. I'll throw in one of the batteries it came with. So shows that it is fully charged, 4 bars. And then it does have a battery indicator on the bottom, and then it has, it looks like 4 modes. Alright, so this kit is around 70 bucks. Go ahead and start it on low. Medium, high, alright guys, so we'll go ahead and open up the final package here. So, let's see what this one is. Gotta love the Temu packaging. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you purchased anything off of Temu and what your opinion is of what you got. So it looks like a case in a box. See what this is. Okay, looks like this is an impact wrench. And wait till you guys see this. So what does this look like to you guys with just the colors? DeWalt, right? XR. JSD Hope XR. So impact wrench, 1/2 inch. Looks like it's also got the adapter in there for 1/4 inch. And this is a kit. So another impact. Comes with the charger. Charger doesn't even have a name on it. And these chargers are extremely light. This charger is light, almost feels like a toy. Same thing with the charger that came with the angle grinder. They feel really light. So this one, this battery, I'm assuming is like maybe a 4 amp hour battery. It just says that it's 16,800 milliamp hour, 21 volt lithium ion. And it does have a battery indicator on there for it. Oh, it looks like it comes with some sockets too. Oh, so wait a minute. Maybe I should look at the instructions here. But this is a combo impact. So it's got 380 Newton meters. So I think that's like 280-ish foot-pounds. Comes with what I assume is a 4 amp hour battery. This is brushless, but as you guys can see, it's got the 1/2 inch on there, and then it's got the 1/4 inch. And then it also comes with this drill adapter. So it's got this chuck that has an adapter, and then you can put this on the end here. And you can use it as a drill also. So a little different design. That's the combo that it states. It also comes with some impact sockets here. 14 millimeter, 17 millimeter, 18 millimeter, 19, 21, and then 22. And then it has an adapter for some hex bits, some impact bits, something like that. And it comes with two-sided bit here, flathead Phillips, battery out. It does have a mode button here, and that's pretty much just a speed button, high and low. So that's high, I think. And then there's low. Cool thing about this is they do have the forward and reverse switch correct on this one, like we're used to on our Milwaukees and DeWalt. Alright guys, so there you go. A little bit of an unboxing, first impressions. Wanted to do this together with you guys. Never bought anything from Temu before. So like I said, this was a first time for me. Didn't know what to expect, so I wanted to share it with all of you out there. So first impressions for me, tools don't seem too bad for the price that you're paying. Still not too sure about the performance and durability. I'll be doing some future testing on these tools to see how well they stack up. So if you guys are interested in anything here or just want to browse the Temu app, all you got to do is go ahead and download it. And if you do choose to purchase something off of Temu, they're constantly doing sales. So if you end up purchasing something and within 30 days that price drops, they'll actually give you a partial refund, kind of do an adjustment there, which is nice. If your delivery ends up late, they give you a $5 credit. You can apply that credit to your next purchase. And they're always doing sales up to like 90% savings on some of the stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead, download the app, check them out. They got tons of different stuff, not just tools on there. If you guys download the Temu app, go ahead and use my code DKY2238. That's going to provide you with a $100 coupon bundle. I'm going to probably follow up with some videos to let you know how these perform. So if you guys are interested in, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. First impressions on these tools, what you think. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell, guys. Until the next one, I'll talk to you later.